and welcome to another Our Rides Trains video, where today I'm in Borth, but also the Talyllyn Railway. I am actually recording this on my way home from school because of my phone managing to corrupt my files and I accidentally deleted them. I managed to get a few back, so it'll be a very small long form video, but hopefully it'll still be good for you guys. First clip is a little history about Borth. It's a little bit of love, but it's still a beautiful station in a lovely area. The ex-fishing town of Borth got this railway in 1863, where the locals didn't really see the need for a railway line. It used to be double tracked and it used to have 2 platforms as well as a goods loop. You can still see all the original 1860s design with some old signage, benches and of course a display board. Inside is a museum that is not open at the moment. It might be open later. And as you can see by this photo here, they have some nice visitors of sheep. And from now on, it's at the Talyllyn Railway. In she comes. Bit windy. from now on, it's at the Talyllyn Railway. Approaching Dovey Junction. Actually, we are here now. One of, if not the most remote station in the UK. Here it looks like there's quite a few passengers, but this is not a normal station. Because there's no roads, it's only available by path. My train is currently approaching 20 minutes delayed. I've got to go quick because this is not my stop, so I'm just getting out and recording for you. Or not, apparently, because we're not actually recording. Well, that doesn't sound good. Dovey Junction. West Midlands Railway, and Line 6.
teithio I Hei. Y byddwn ni'n teithio.
We will be travelling to Crewe only.
Go. That's a long form video. Sorry it's not as good or maybe as detailed as the other ones, but you know, phone plays up. So I'll catch you in the next one. Our Eyes Trains out.